Today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Bonchat for beginners. First, head over to your Play Store or App Store, then search for Bonchat and of course, download it. Once done, open the app. So before you'll be able to use Bonchat, you must first join an on-premise Bonchat server so you can actually join through invitation links or QR codes shared by friends. You can also join from groups created by users where members invite each other manually, or you can just scan a QR someone shares directly with you inside a trusted community. Not only that, because you can also create your own server by purchasing a server package. So all you have to do in your browser, head over to bonchat.app/buy, and here you can see this server package that costs 6,050 US dollar. If you click on the package, you can see more details such as duration, user license, specifications on how many accounts can join, and also the cloud server. And to buy, simply click on the Buy It Now button. You will be prompted to log in to an account. Once logged in, just follow all the on-screen prompts to complete the transaction. And from there, you can start using Bonchat for your own. You can now start exploring the app, start a conversation, and you can send text, images, and even voice messages. You can also create group chats by adding multiple contacts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!